Hey, it's Tuba Billy. Alright, it is a little bit warmer today, so I'm going to try to start this again, see if it makes that weird sound again. Here we go, ready? Huh. Nope. Still covered in oil, though. But at least that didn't make a sound, so that's a good thing. So my theory is, at least my hope is, it was just so daggum cold. I mean, it's like, it's not hot right now. It's about 60-ish. But I'm hoping it's just because of the cold. Whoa! Missed. I missed gear. Shifted to neutral. I'm hoping it's just because of the cold, and maybe the grease in there was kind of not liking it. I'm hoping. I hope, because really, I mean, some of the comments I've had, of course, starter clutch, which that would freaking suck because the bearing alone is like $600. At least it was a few years ago. That was before Biden inflation. The starter itself, of course, that's another couple $100. Then you got all the labor and everything. Last time I had the starter clutch and the starter replaced, it was like, I think $1,200, because doing all that, that's getting a little more involved than what I'm prepared to do. Because I mean, time, tools, space, all that fun stuff I don't have, especially time. Don't have the money for that either, by the way. But anyway, the other comment was a battery. Well, the battery is less than a year old, because I had what was the issue? It was I forget what it's called. Not the alternator. The bike doesn't have an alternator, but whatever thing keeps the battery charged had gone bad, and it was like a relay or something. It was one of two options. It was the cheaper option that I had to get fixed. So I was like, okay, I'll take that. But before I figured that out, I got a new battery, and so I was like, well. And I got a brand new battery, thinking, all right, here we go. Nope, same problem. So it's got a new battery. It's got a fairly new clutch, or not, starter and starter clutch. Just, a couple years old. In fact, yeah, because it was during the pandemic that I got it fixed, because luckily I didn't have to drive every day. And that's what really saved me from being stranded, because I wasn't going anywhere. So I'm hoping that it is just because it's been so cold, and hopefully we'll be going soon. There we go. Because I did start it when the engine was hot, so I stopped to get gas, started it again, and it did not make the sound. And just now, it's been sitting all day long since 8 o'clock this morning. And right now it's 60 degrees, I think. And it did not make that whining sound again. So my fingers are crossed that it's just the cold. Oh, please just be the cold. Don't be breaking down. Now, I do have to figure out where this oil leak's coming from. And that's going to be another exploratory. Get in here and start digging around. Hopefully it's not like a head gasket or anything on the far inside. Hopefully it's more just on the outside, because that would be much easier to fix, much quicker too, because time is something I don't have a lot of. But anyway, I thought I'd bring y'all along for that little experiment, see what happens when I start the engine when it's not 30 degrees. And it did not disappoint. It started up without going "Rrr." I'll try it again. It's supposed to be cold again tomorrow. I'll probably make the noise again tomorrow because it's going to be cold. But we'll see. We will see. Maybe I'll put a heater in front of it when I wake up. That way it's, you know, the air is nice and hot right around the starter. Maybe get the greases, the oils churning a little bit. Maybe I'll do that. We'll see. Oh, but anyway, just I'm stuck behind a slowie. Just please be excellent to each other. Thank you. Oh, by the way, thank you for all those who have commented. It really helps, even if it's just, you know, comments of support and sympathy. I do appreciate it. So just keep subscribing, keep on commenting, sharing, all that jazz. Be excellent to each other. Tuba Billy signing out. God be with you till we meet again.